We now discuss the solution of a problem from the section Binomial Theorem and its applications. This problem has appeared in JEE Main examination held on 27th July 2021 in the morning shift. The problem is, if the coefficients of x power 7 in x square plus 1 by bx whole to the power of 11 and x to the power of minus 7 in x minus 1 by bx square whole power 11, where b not equal to 0 are equal, then the value of b is equal to, the four options are given to us. Option 1, 2, option 2, minus 1, option 3, 1, option 4, minus 2. So, two expansions are given, binomial expansions are given. In that, in the first one, the coefficient of x to the power of 7 is equal to the coefficient of x to the power of minus 7 in the second expansion, where b not equal to 0. Then we have to find the value of b. We now discuss the solution of the problem in detail. We first take the first binomial expansion, x square plus 1 by bx to the power of 11. In that, we want to calculate the coefficient of x to the power of 7. The general term in the binomial expansion, x plus a whole power n, where n is a positive integer, is given by ncr into x power n minus r into a power r. So, the general term for this is 11cr into x squared to the power of 11 minus r into 1 by bx to the power of r, and that is equal to 11cr into 1 by b power r into x power 2 into 11 minus r, that is 2 11s are 22 minus 2r, and 1 by x power r is same as x power minus r, and that is written as x power 22 minus 2r minus r, and that is equal to 11cr into 1 by b power r into x power 22 minus 3r. And if we want the coefficient of x to the power of 7, the exponent of x, that is 22 minus 3r, must be equal to 7. And that will imply 3r is equal to 15. That will give you r is equal to 5. Therefore, the coefficient of x to the power of 7 in this binomial expansion is 11cr into 1 by b power r, where r is equal to 5. That is the coefficient of x to the power of 7 in the expansion x square minus plus 1 by bx to the power of 11 is 11cr, r is 5, 11c5 into 1 by b power 5, that is b power minus 5. Now, in a similar manner, we will calculate the coefficient of x to the power of minus 7 in the second expansion. The second expansion is x minus 1 by bx square to the power of 11, and the general term is given by 11cr into x power 11 minus r into minus 1 by bx square whole power r, that is equal to 11cr into minus 1 to the power of r by b power r into x power 11 minus r into x power minus 2r, that is x power 11 minus r minus 2r, and that will be 11cr into minus 1 to the power of r by b power r into x to the power of 11 minus r minus 2r, that is 11 minus 3r. And if we want the coefficient of x to the power of minus 7, the exponent of x, that is 11 minus 3r, must be equal to minus 7. That will give you 3r is equal to 18. That will give you r is equal to 6. Therefore, the coefficient of x to the power of minus 7 in this second expansion is 11 CR to minus 1 power r by b power r, where r is equal to 6. That is, the coefficient of x to the power of minus 7 in the second expansion is 11 CR, r is 6, 11 C6 into minus 1 to the power of 6 is plus 1 by 1 by b power 6, that is b power minus 6. So, therefore, the coefficient of x to the power of minus 7 in the second expansion is 11 C6 into b power minus 6. We continue in the next slide. We have already seen the coefficient of x to the power of 7 in the first expansion as this, and the coefficient of x to the power of minus 7 in the second expansion as this. And it is given they are equal. It is given they are equal. That means 11 C5 into b to the power of minus 5 is equal to 11 C6 into b to the power of minus 6. It's where b not equal to 0. And you know 11 C5 is same as 11 C6. And why 11 C5 is 11 NCR is equal to NCN minus R. 11 C5 is equal to 11 C 11 minus 5, that is 11 C6, and they cancel, and b to the power of minus 5 is equal to b to the power of minus 6. That will imply b power 6 is equal to b power 5, and that will give you b power 5 into b minus 1 is equal to 0. Since b not equal to 0, b minus 1 must be equal to 0. That will give you b is equal to 1. So thus we got the answer. If the coefficient of x to the power of 7 in the first expansion and the coefficient of x to the power of minus 7 in the second expansion, if they are equal, then b is equal to 1. That's our answer. And let's look at the options. Our answer b is equal to 1 appears against option 3. Therefore, our answer is option 3. So that is the discussion of the solution of the problem from the binomial theorem and its applications, and the question is based on the binomial expansion. I hope that you have understood the solution of this problem and go on working out some more problems on binomial theorem and its applications. I wish you all the best. Thank you.